Let's get your first bot up and running. We'll follow a quick workflow to get everything properly configured for current market conditions. First, click Create Bot. For this guide, we're using the WaveRunner bot. Select it from the list, and then click Create WaveRunner Bot. Give your bot a clear, descriptive name and select a simulation account for now. It's always best practice to backtest your strategy before risking live capital. Next, pick your exchange and market and click Save. Once the bot is created, head over to Settings. Scroll down to see the customizable script parameters. If you're unsure what a specific setting does, just hover over the information icon to see a quick tooltip. Now, adjust these values based on your trading goals. For WaveRunner, your key parameters are the price spread, buy orders, sell orders, order size, and switching your order size to quote currency. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save to lock them in. If you want a deep dive into what each of these parameters does, HaasOnline has a dedicated WaveRunner document on their site. With your settings saved, we're ready to run a backtest to see how the bot might perform. Click Start Backtest and choose your testing period. Keep in mind that your total backtest window depends on your license tier. It operates on a rolling window, meaning if your license allows for a 1-month window, you can pick any 1-month block of historical data spanning back over the last 3 years. Click Start to fire up the backtest. You don't have to sit and watch it. Feel free to navigate away while it runs in the background. To check on its progress, just head to the side menu and click Bot Backtests or Backtest History. Then select the run you want to review. Take a look at the data. If you're happy with the results, click the robot icon to clone these exact backtest settings into a brand new bot. Even if the backtest looks amazing, we still highly recommend deploying it on a simulation account first. Let it forward test live for a few days to make sure it behaves exactly like the historical data before you swap it over to a live production account. Give this new bot a descriptive name, select your account, double-check that the market matches your backtest, and hit Save. Jump back into Settings one last time just to verify everything carried over correctly, then click Back. Before launching, make sure your wallet actually has enough funds to cover both the buy and sell sides of your chosen trading pair. If everything looks good, you're ready to hit Start and confirm by clicking Yes to activate trading. Your bot is now officially live in the market. If you ever need to pause it, just click Stop. The system will ask for confirmation and give you the option to automatically cancel any open orders before you click Yes to fully deactivate it. To track, edit, or manage any of your active setups, you can find them anytime by heading to the side menu and clicking Bot Management. To wrap up, here's a summary of the whole workflow at a glance. The safe path from simulation to live trading. It breaks down into 3 phases. First, setup. You create a simulation bot, point it at a sim wallet and the market you want to trade, and configure its parameters. Nothing here touches real funds. It's your sandbox. Next, validation. You backtest to find a configuration that's actually profitable, then apply that config and let the bot run in simulation for a few days. This is where you confirm it trades the way you expect, in real market conditions, before any money is on the line. Finally, deployment. Once you're confident, you fund the wallet, making sure there's enough to cover the orders the bot will place, then clone the simulation bot to a live account and market and start it up. That's the full loop. Build it safely, prove it works, then go live trading. And remember, if you ever get stuck or want to explore the platform further, you can always find full guides at help.haasonline.com.